Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Let's make black fungus salad today. This salad is appetizing. You will like it. You need black fun, coriander and chili padi for this salad. Wash and slice black fungus. Chopped chili padi. Chopped coriander. Boil black fungus for 2 minutes. Drain and soak in cold water. Add coriander and chili padi. Mix well. Seasoning and mix well. Black fungus salad is done. This is so easy to make. Black fungus offers many benefits, such as protecting your liver. It's appetizing to have this salad in hot day. Yummy! Today we will stir-fry mushroom minced meat. Ingredients are minced meat, shiitake mushrooms, shimeji mushrooms, and chopped ginger. Season minced meat, stir well and marinate for 10 minutes. Chopped ginger. Chopped shimeji mushrooms. Chopped shiitake mushrooms. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add minced meat and stir-fry. Add mushrooms and saute. Add 2 tablespoons water. Seasoning at taste. Add dark soy sauce to add color. Stir-fry mushroom minced meat is done. This minced meat is good to pair with rice or garnish on tofu. Next, we will make minced meat with tofu. You need a box of soft tofu. Pour out tofu blanch with hot water and set aside. Sliced tofu. Garnish tofu with mushroom minced meat. Drizzle few drops of sesame oil. Mushroom minced meat tofu is done within 2 minutes. Tofu is flavorful with mushroom minced meat. It's appetizing. Yay! Share this delicious recipe with your family. They will love it too. Today we will make beautiful Bittergourd steamed egg. This dish looks like a flower and perfect to serve during festive eggs. It is healthy and low carb and not oily at all. It's super easy, but the outcome is amazing. Appetizing to dip eat with stock. Let's start now. Ingredients are Bittergourd eggs, coriander, chopped garlic and spring onions. Cut Bittergourd into half, spread seeds off with spoon. Crack eggs into bowl, separate egg yolk and egg white. Seasoning and beat eggs until frothy. Put Bittergourd into steam plate. Pour egg white to both Bittergourd and high heat steam for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, pour in egg yolk. High heat steam for 2 minutes. Bittergourd looks good. Remove from steam plate and let it cool down. So beautiful. Once cooled, slice Bittergourd. Look at that nice to layer egg. Looks so good. Place Bittergourd nicely on plate. Prepare sauce for dipping. Pour in hot boiling oil into sauce. Wow, smell so good! Bittergourd steamed eggs is done. This is too pretty to eat. It tastes perfectly to dip with sauce, flavorful and appetizing. Share this recipe with your family, they will love it too. Amaze them with this beautiful steamed egg. Leave me comments at below video if you like it. Make this to surprise your guests or during festive gathering dinner. Tips for this recipe is to pick round-shaped Bittergourd. Also to ensure the lengthy is fit with your steam plate. Follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Don't miss it, yeah. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next video, yeah. Bye bye.